Welcome back to the channel everyone. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to download and set up UDP configuration files for HTTP custom, socket tunnel, and ZIVPN. By the end of this video, you will know how to install the apps, import the configs, and start browsing with a smooth and stable connection. Let's begin. First, we need to download the required applications. Go to your App Store and search for HTTP Custom, Socket Tunnel VPN, and ZIVPN Client. Download and install all three apps on your device. Once the installation is complete, we can move to the next step. Now, let's download the UDP configuration files. Open your browser and visit the official UDP Custom website. On the home page, tap the menu button and select the option for Premium UDP configs. Here you will see configuration files for HTTP Custom, Socket Tunnel, and ZIVPN. Download one file for each app, and make sure they are saved in your Downloads folder. Next, let's import the configurations. For HTTP Custom, open the app. Tap the plus icon. Select Import Configs, and go to your Downloads folder. Choose the UDP custom file and import it. Once it is loaded, tap Connect to start. For Socket Tunnel, open the app. Tap the menu in the corner, and select Import Configuration. Go to your Downloads folder and select the UDP request file, which has a DOZIP extension. Import the file and then tap Start to connect. For ZIVPN, open the app. Tap the menu, and select Import. Go to your Downloads folder, and select the zip UDP file. Import it and tap Start to connect. That's all. You have successfully downloaded and imported UDP configurations for HTTP Custom, Socket Tunnel, and ZIVPN. Now you are ready to enjoy stable and reliable browsing on your device. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more guides. Also, tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.